Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Perplexity's AI multi-language support. So to use multi-language support, simply enter the query in another language. Let's have an example. I'm going to type Arabic, cave, agile, YouTube. So I'm asking in Arabic, how can I make my YouTube channel pops, or how can I make my YouTube channel more reachable to other users, right? And I can just go ahead and forward my question, and as you can see right here, it's loading, the page is loading. Let me type again, cave ajan قناتي مشهورة YouTube. And as you can see, you're going to be able to see the keywords in your native language, right? Enter right here the to follow up the question, to basically forward your question. And in your native language, Spanish, French, etc., you're going to be able to add your question, and Perplexity AI will provide answers in the same language based on the query that you entered. You can switch between languages by typing your query in a different languages for tailored response. You can just go ahead and ask a follow-up question like, how can I make my channel grow, right? In the same question, in the same answer, right? You can use a follow-up question and they will answer in English. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We'll definitely see you in the next one.